Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. All right, about a month ago, my friend told me he just double stacked his KMG, and the minute I didn't even know what he was talking about, but once I found out, I ordered it instantly, and it came in today. So let's get to building this. First, I'll put my website up in the cards, and all my links, including Amazon and all that, are down in the description. All right, let's just get to the unboxing. So they sent a tightening thing. It's always good to have these. A bunch of new bolts, and then I saved this for you guys. I was gonna open it on Instagram, but I told them on Instagram they had to come and watch this. I always keep this paper because when I gotta set knives out, it's good to have. So just buy stuff, that way you can send out knives, right? Alright. This seems pretty straightforward. Take the bolts out of the other one, put this on and raise it up again. Let's see how accurate I am. And I guess we gotta make sure to put this on the front, because this is where the handle goes in. So I guess I could tighten it on the back. That's the way I'll think, because I do everything backwards and it'll end up right. Alright, to the grinder. So this looks basically straightforward. Let's hope it is. I haven't had these bolts off ever, so that seems like it'll be the problem. 1/2 inch. I'm hoping I can just take the bolts out, lift this top out, put the other ones in, and go from there. But things never seem to go as planned. I got an impact wrench. I always forget about that. Oh, there we go. Well, I guess these can stay here. I hope I'm not out of the camera completely. See, I almost put that one on backwards. So I guess this is the hard part. Getting it all to line up. I was never one of those kids that colored in the lines. Oh, I almost did it again. Woo! I guess as long as we get oh yeah. Uh-oh. Are some longer and some shorter? Yeah. Okay, so it seems like the longer ones. Okay, so the shorter ones go here. All right. Hey, what do you know? Once one lines up, they all fall in. Oh. Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic. You need some struggle to make a good video. I could have at least done something backwards. I better not talk too soon, huh? Damn it, went and opened my mouth too soon. Spray some WD-40 on this rusted ass bolt. Now I had these on the bottom for the other deal. For the other Toolrest, I should say. In fact, if you watched my video the other day where I was putting in the vise and all that, these are the ones I had. Look familiar? I'll put the whole vlogging, night vlog playlist up in the cards. Well, there's a tip. Make sure you got both things in before you tighten them down. There we go. Or before you tighten, yeah, both sides down. I'm just gonna hand tighten these. So I guess we had a little bit of struggle there. Boom. There we go. See, here's the top platen I put on, which I gotta tighten, it looks like. And that's see, one thing I was thinking about doing before I found the double stack is I was thinking about lifting this up, so this is perfect. I guess maybe I'll find something else to put at the end of this video. Oh man, alright. So I figured I need a tool rest for both grinders, and I actually like the reader tool rest, just this part here, so I'm gonna kind of make it. I didn't have any 3/4, but I did have a piece of 2x2 left over, so I cut it in half. This is the piece that's smaller. You know, I actually cut this 3/4, but it's a little bit proud of 3/4, so I can grind it down. So this is a 3/4 hole dozer, I think they're called, Milwaukee hole dozer, like this. I've got 3/4 bars. I'll show all that to you later, but I just want to get this drilling part down. I figure we only need one camera. I got this clamped down. This is what I usually use to stop my knives. You know, I got to set in, but it works as a clamp too. Who knew that? All right, here we go. These things get clogged up real easy. Alright, let me clean this thing out. I think it's even got some G10 in there from the last thing I did. These things are a pain to get off anyway. Alright, I'll be back. Yeah man, that thing was clogged. Yeah, see the little kit comes with this and alright, sometimes we have to flip it over to all the way through. No. Here's what I usually take this off now and then drill all the way through with just a bit and then flip it over. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in, drill it straight through. I'm pretty sure it's 1/4 inch, but I'd rather use the one that's on here, so. Now we just flip it over. There we go. Whew, that was a pain in the butt. Now let's see. There we go. Now we just need to drill it, put a screw in it, and put a couple screws in it for the platen, or for the Toolrest, I should say. Now I got a number 7 here because I'm going to tap with a 1/4 20. And I got to go through the 1/2 inch piece into the 3/4 inch piece, and then make this. Well, I'll show you. Now I'm going to go tap this one, and we'll make this 1/4 inch, and then put a screw in there to hold it, and then do the other side. That's one thing good about having this other little mill right here, and it's got a 1/4 inch bit in it. And once again, I put it on backwards. It never fails. Now we just do the same thing on the other one, and boom. Alright, then to do the plate, you get the screw, you sink it with your drill bit, boom, then you tighten it down, that way you know exactly where it is. And since we have 1/4 inch right here, hopefully this will work out. Alright, so what I do for this one, just to make sure it's kind of centered, here's the screw I'm going to use. I can't go up here, it'll be out of focus. So what I do is I just set it there, I kind of let this go to a fine center, and lock. And check it. A little bit more. Then you have to push up from the bottom. Ah, come on. And people wonder why I got nails. Not so funny now, is it? Alright, let's see if we put it all together if it looks good. Now I know what you're probably saying. Why don't you have it on this side? But usually it tends to hit, but it might not. I could always move that. I put a divot in the pivot, so it's not going anywhere, but I could always change it and put it on that side if I wanted to. Not to mention, I use this plate with magnets anyway, so. Well, that's about it. Can't wait to get this KMG up and running and try out the new Toolrest, all that good stuff. But I look a little worn and tired. I just got back from the hospital. Mom's feeding tube came out. We had to get a replacement. Nothing quite as nerve-wracking as going to the hospital in these times. And whew. Anyway, she's home and everything's good and fine. And if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, all that, I really appreciate all the well-wishings and prayers and all that. It's much appreciated. Anyway, I digress. All right, make sure to like, comment, let me know what's going on with your knife making or your tool making, anything that has to do with any of this stuff, or just say, hey, what's up? All that good stuff. All right, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Let's see, I'll put grinding every kind of bevel here. I'll put the vlogs here. Subscribe right here. My website is right here for shirts, knives, all that good stuff, but they're running out. All right. Hope all is well, and as always, take it easy.